Okay, this video is about using Dragon NaturallySpeaking with the Gutenberg editor, or the current version of it, as at the 15th of June, and I'm here at WordCamp Europe. Now, the good news is that the Gutenberg editor is readily usable with Dragon NaturallySpeaking for power users who are used to the features of Dragon NaturallySpeaking. Not everything can be accessed directly, but it's possible using the variety of tools that Dragon NaturallySpeaking contains to actually access most things. But what I want to focus on here is how changing the published time of this post actually doesn't work in Dragon NaturallySpeaking. So I'm going to do that now. Before I switch on the microphone with Dragon NaturallySpeaking, I'm going to explain what I'm going to do. I'm going to access the published date. It will show me a date picker, and then beneath that is a couple of input fields where I can select the time. That's the tricky bit. If I show you now, before I get Dragon going, if I'll click on this and notice here it's got 16:19, which corresponds to 4:19 p.m. up there. If I change this to 17, notice that the change has been added straight away, and so then I can update schedule here, and it's recorded it. Now I'm going to try and do the same in Dragon NaturallySpeaking, and we'll see that actually I can't do that in Dragon NaturallySpeaking. So here goes. Wake up. Wake up. Click June 16. Click type text. Choose 4. Select all. 16. Click schedule. Go to sleep. Now notice that I actually went through the process and changed the value of that text box, which I had to select using the choose options because there's no label attached with those boxes. But I changed it to 16:19. But you'll notice over here that the date here is still saying 5:19. So the changes were not reflected. Now, when I'm inputting text into a text box using Dragon NaturallySpeaking, I'm not actually typing, so I'm suspicious that there's the event listeners are not being triggered in the way that they would be if I actually typed into those input fields. I can, though, I discovered cut and paste into them successfully, but maybe that's about the event does get fired then. So I'm suspicious that the event, it needs to be changed to something that is impacted by Dragon NaturallySpeaking. Thank you very much.